Okay, good morning students. So last class we discussed the topic is what is the work energy theorem and so law of conservation of so what is the topic in the seventh chapter, system of the particles. So system of particles that is angular velocity and angular acceleration. So many problems are discussed in the last class. Now today discuss another chapter, so that is the gravitation. Okay, so discuss the another chapter, gravitation. So gravitation means generally, that is Newton gravitation law, already we know that. Okay, so gravitation. So gravitation means, so for example, here consider the two bodies. So the two bodies of the masses m1 and m2. Okay, two bodies of masses m1 and m2. Okay, so separated some distance in a space. Okay, in the universe, every object attracts with the another object. In the universe, every object attracts with the another object. So the attractive force between the two bodies is directly proportional to the masses m1 and m2. Okay, so the attractive force is directly proportional to the product of masses m1 and m2. Okay, now so universal proportional to the square of the distance. Universal proportional to the square of the distance between the two bodies. Square of the distance between the two bodies or two particles. That we can write the formula Fu is inversely proportional to the 1 by d square. Right. So now this is the equation 1 and this is the 2, and these two equations are combined. So F is directly proportional to the m1 and m2 by d square. F is directly proportional to the m1 and m2 by d square. So proportional can be neglected, some constant are taken, that is the g. Okay, m1 and m2 by d square. Okay, or r square we can write. So F is equal to g m1 m2 by d square. So g is called as there is a gravitational constant, universal gravitational constant. That value is 6.65 10 to the power of minus 11 Newton meter square for kg square. Okay, so the G is called as a universal gravitational constant. Universal gravitational constant. Okay, so that value is 6.65 into 10 to the power of minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Okay, got it. What is the gravitation? So what is the universal law of gravitation? So universal law of gravitation is nothing but it is denoted by the capital G. Okay, small g is different for capital G. Okay, so capital G is called as a universal gravitational constant. Small g is called as the acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity. So capital G on surface of the earth 6.65 to the power of minus 11. Okay, every object attracts with the another object in the universe. That is, attractive force is directly proportional to the product of masses. And inversely proportional to the square of the distance. Inversely proportional to the square of the distance. And these two equations we can write F is directly proportional to the m1 m2 by d square. Okay, so proportional can be taken. So that is the G. G is called as a universal gravitational constant. Universal gravitational constant. That is called as a capital G. So now, so the difference or the relation between, okay, the relation between small g and capital G. The relation between small g and capital G. Okay, got it? Right. So now, first of all, the object is considered, or planet or Earth is considered, there is a mass of the earth is m and radius is taken capital R. Okay, radius is taken capital R. Now the object, small object of mass m. Now small object of mass m is placed, kept on surface of the earth, okay, or planet. Okay, so that is the small object. That is means any object is taken. That is the object, assuming that is placed on surface of the earth. Okay, so that is the capital M and capital R be the earth of the or planet of the mass and radius. Okay, got it. Now these two, that is according to Newton gravitation law. Okay, according to Newton gravitation law, F is directly proportional to the G, or F is equal to G mu capital M and small m by, here taken R square we can write. Okay, F is equal G capital M means mass of the planet. Okay, small m means object mass. Okay, object mass is placed on the surface of the earth. So according to Newton gravitation law, so F is equal to G capital M small m by R square. R square means radius. Okay, that is the distance in there. So but F is called as a, okay, F is called as a, okay, so that is called as a force, attractive force. So that is F is equal to, we can write mg. Okay, equation 2. F is equal, we can write mg. That is F is nothing but attractive force, or force is equal to the weight of the body. Okay, or F is equal, or W is equal to mg. Okay, these two equations are comparing. Okay, so comparing, we get the final equation. So F is equal or G capital M and small m by R square. G capital M and small m by R square is equal to mg. And small m are cancelled. So remaining equation we get, so G is equal to G capital M by R square. Okay, small g is equal capital G capital M by R square. G M by R square. So that is the relation between these two. Okay, that is the relation between these two. So G value already we know that, and capital M is already constant value, that is also. Radius is also constant. These three values are substituting in the equation. So small g value 9.8 meter per second to find out to in experimentally and theoretically. Okay, got it. So now first of all, once again repeat. So now first of all, so the small body of mass m is placed on the surface of the mass of the planet m and radius is r. Okay, radius is r. According to definition of the Newton gravitation law. So F is equal G capital M small m by R square. But F is equal, that is the attractive force is equal. F is equal weight of the object, that is the mg. These two equations are comparing. So that is the small g is equal to Gm by R square on the surface of the earth. Okay, in another words, so that is the relation between small g and capital G. The relation between small g and capital G. In another words, small g on surface of the earth. Okay, in another words, small g on the surface of the earth. So G is equal Gm by R square. Okay, got it? G is equal Gm by R square. Okay, so now discuss the another topic is, so G is a various changes. G is, so that value is changes above the surface of the earth and below the surface of the earth. Okay, above the surface of the earth, below the surface of the earth. So the variation of G, okay, the variation of G above the surface of the earth. Okay, now to find out the, okay, now to find out the small g value is changes or varies with, okay, with above the surface of the earth. Okay, and so similar topic, okay, so similar topic, that is okay, the word is depth taken. Okay, so now first of all is taken, so this is called as a planet. Okay, so planet of mass m, and radius is taken, that is called as a capital R. Okay, radius is capital R, mass is capital M. Now the object is placed, that object of mass small m. Okay, that object of mass small m. Okay, got it, small m is placed above the surface of the earth. Taken height is h. Okay, so now we have taken, so the total taken r plus h. Now consider the body of mass m is placed above the surface of the earth. Taken height is h, and so capital M and capital R be the mass of the planet or radius of the earth. Okay, radius of the earth. Now first condition is taken, so that is the object is placed on the surface of the earth. So on the surface of the earth, that is G is equal to Gm by R square. Okay, got it? G is equal Gm by R square. So the object, first of all, the object is placed on the surface of the earth, is taken, so small g is equal Gm by R square, equation 1. Okay, got it? So the object is placed, first of all, so the object is placed on the surface of the earth, that taken condition is, the relation is, so G is equal Gm by R square. Now, so the object is through the certain height is h. Okay, through certain height is h above the surface of the earth. So that taken GH is equal. So Gm by R is nothing but R plus H whole square. So that is the equation 2. So from equation 1 and 2, okay, so divided 1 by 2. So G by GH is equal, or GH by G is also taken. So Gm by R square, so R plus H whole square by, so R square. Okay, so now first of all, R, GH by G is taken, so Gm by R plus H whole square by Gm by R square. So Gm are cancelled, R square by R plus H whole square. Okay, so equation 2 by equation 1. So that is equal to GH by G. So GH is equal to Gm by R plus H whole square, and G is equal to Gm by R square. Now substituting, and Gm are cancelled. So remaining equation we get R square by R plus H whole square. Okay, got it. So GH by G is equal to R square. So here taken, that is the R square common. Okay, so the common is taken R square 1 plus H by R whole square. Okay, 1 plus H by R whole square. So R square and cancel. So remaining equation we get, so 1 plus H by R whole to the power of minus 2. Because, so the denominator, Okay, so 1 plus h by r all to the power of minus 2 is taken. So gh is equal to 1 plus h by r into minus 2 into g. Okay, so here taken, so 1 plus h, that is nothing but 1 plus x to the power of n, or 1 plus x to the power of n is equal 1 minus 2x. 1 minus 2x by exponential theorem by using. So 1 plus x to the power of n is equal 1 minus 2x. Now we have taken also 1 plus x to the power of minus 2. So this implication we can write, that is the equation 1 minus 2h by r. Okay, 1 minus 2h by 2 is nothing but taken n power. So 1 minus 2h by r. Now substituting here 1 minus 2h by r. Okay, so that is the GH is equal 1 minus 2h by r into G. So that value is taken. So GH, okay, so GH is less than G on surface of the earth. That means, so here taken, that means our conclusion is, so the G value above the surface of the earth gradually decreasing. Okay, so the G value is decreasing with height above the surface of the earth. That equation is represented. Okay, so now first of all, so the body of mass m is placed above the surface of the planet. That planet mass m and radius is r. Now on the surface of the earth, G is equal to gm by r square. Above the surface of the earth, gm by r plus h whole square. So the equation 2 divided with respect to equation 1, and so we get the final equation r square by r plus h whole square. Now gh by g is equal r square cancel, so remain equation. So the denominator you can write the 1 plus h by r whole to the power of minus 2. Okay, so this equation in, so by using the binomial theorem, so 1 plus x to the power of n is equal 1 minus 2x plus etc. Okay, 1 minus 2x etc. So we can write these two equations are comparing 1 plus x is equal h by r and n whole to the power of minus 2. These two equations are comparing equations. So 1 minus 2x, so 1 minus 2 we can write x is nothing but h by r, x is nothing but h by r, we can write h by r. Okay, so that is the g, h is equal 1 minus 2h by r whole to the power of minus 2 into g. Okay, r minus 2 we not write. Okay, 1 minus 2h by r into g. So that means, that is conclusion is, so the g value is above the surface of the earth gradually decreasing. Okay, got it. Now another topic is taken. So here, first of all, so the above the surface of the earth already so discussed the topic, and now so depth. So that is the g value is various with depth. So now first of all, so this is called as a planet M, and is taken radius is r. Okay, radius is r. Now, so the object is placed. Okay, so the object is placed depth d of the mass m. Okay, consider the mass of the object is m, depth d. Okay, so radius is r. Total complete radius is r. So here taken r minus d is taken. Okay, got it. So the object of mass m is placed, okay, depth d. Okay, so now planet, so planet of a capital M and r be the radius, and so uniform density rho is taken. M is the capital M is the mass and r be the radius. Okay, r be the radius of the earth, m be the mass of the earth, and rho be the uniform density or density. Okay, got it. Now, so the earth or planet is the homogeneous uniform sphere, assuming homogeneous uniform sphere. So that equation. So on the surface of the earth. So the body is first of all on the surface of the earth. That equation. So G is equal to Gm by R square. G is equal Gm by R square. Equation 1. Okay, so first of all, the body is placed on the surface of the earth is taken G is equal to Gm by R square. G is called as a universal gravitational constant. R with the radius, M is called as a mass. So that mass is converting to the density because so here taken so not above, below is taken so the homogeneous is converting to the small. Okay, the sphere is converting to the small. So that because so mass is changes. So that mass is converting to the density. So the density is rho is equal mass per volume. Okay, so the density rho is equal mass per volume. So mass is equal to, okay, so density into volume. Volume is nothing but 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so mass m is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube is taken, that is called as a volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere. So here taken, so the earth is also sphere. The earth is also sphere. The planet is also sphere. So now substituting the equation, so G is equal G into rho. Okay, the m value is substituting. So rho into 4 by 3 pi r cube by r square. Okay, so G is equal capital G into rho into 4 by 3 pi r cube by r square. So r square r cancel, remaining equation we can write. Okay, so G into rho into 4 by 3 pi r. Okay, so G value is taken. So 4 by 3 G rho pi into r, equation 2. Okay, so the G value is taken. That means the M is mass, that is the mass, total mass, and depth mass is changes. So that mass is converting to the density. So the density is equal to mass per volume. So mass is equal to rho into 4 by 3 pi r cube. So that value substitute in the equation. So we get G is equal to 4 by 3 G rho pi r. Now the object is taken depth D placed. So the M is the mass of the object. M is the mass of the object is placed. M is the mass of the object is placed depth D. Depth D on the surface of the earth, equation. Okay, now taken depth D. So depth D is taken G D is equal 4 by 3 G rho pi r minus D is equation third. Okay, r minus D is taken, depth D, total radius is r. So some depth D. So r minus D is taken, some place is some depth is placed. Okay, so 4 by 3 G rho pi r minus D. So now equation 3 divided equation 2. Okay, so equation 2. So that equation G bar 4 by 3 G rho pi r. Okay, so 4 by 3 I cancel. So G cancel, rho cancel, pi cancel. So remaining equation we get, so G D by G is equal to G D by G is equal to R minus D by R. Okay, so R are taken common, so 1 minus D by R. Okay, so G D is equal to G D is equal to, so G is go to outside, is get multiplication, so 1 minus D by R into G. Okay, G D is equal 1 minus D by R into G. So this equation is representing, okay, so this equation is representing. So the body is go to depth. So G value is decreasing. So G value is decreasing. So now two cases are studied. That is one of the cases taken. So above the surface of the earth and below the surface of the earth. So the G value is taken on the surface of the earth, okay, 9.8 meter per second square. But the first case, so is represented above the surface of the earth, so the G value is decreasing gradually. Now same topic is taken, so go to depth, okay, so go to depth and G value is decreasing, also represented. G value is decreasing. So G value above the surface also decreasing, and G value is, so go to depth is taken also decreasing. Okay, got it. And at the center of the G value is taken 0. Okay, G value is at the center of the earth is 0. Got it. So now discuss the another topic on a next class. Okay, got it. Right. Thank you, students.